see how it works. So I unwrapped everything so you could kind of see all the pieces. There's quite a few. It comes with 4 clipping comb head attachments in 3, 9, 16, and 24 millimeters. A de-shedding tool, a grooming brush, a cleaning brush, a nozzle attachment, electric clippers. It also comes with a display board for all the pieces. Underneath is the actual vacuum itself with the hose attachment. So we're just gonna stick this part inside the vacuum. It's pretty easy. And this side will be where all the attachments go. Y'all, this thing does so much. And it even breaks down what each piece does for you in the instructions. We're gonna try the grooming brush attachment first. Now that my model's here, let's get busy. Does that feel good, mama? I like this little button right here on the back because all you have to do is push it and it's easy to get the hair out. Now we're gonna try the de-shedding tool. I'm excited about this one. I had to turn it off so you could hear me, but look at all that hair. My favorite part. So she's had her nails clipped recently, and she doesn't have a long coat, as you can tell. So I'm not going to do any hair trimming or anything like that, but I am excited to try out the lint roller piece because it's supposed to get all the hair off of me. So this is what my legs are looking like right now. Let's see if we can get some of this hair off. So here's the after. I think that worked out really well. Now we're going to try out the vacuum part, see if we can clean this mess up. I will say that the nozzle works really well because this is all the hair I really have to pick up. Most of it went inside the vacuum. Now it's time to clean this part out. And all you're going to do is put your hand in this little handle thing and just take it off. And the instructions say you can clean this with dish soap and water, so that'll be pretty easy. We'll see y'all later. Oh.